To stay healthy, you should consider which types of fish to eat, as certain fish can lead to various diseases. We often hear about the benefits of eating fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. What exactly is omega-3? It refers to unsaturated fats, which, unlike saturated fats, are beneficial for our heart. These beneficial unsaturated fats, along with other nutrients, are most abundantly found in marine fish, such as pomfret. Additionally, you will find a significant amount of omega-3 in any type of sea fish. Among freshwater fish, Hilsa contains the highest amount of omega-3. Other local fish like rohu catla and other naturally grown varieties are also good choices. We will also learn about the types of fish that can cause diseases if consumed. There is a common misconception about certain rapidly farm-raised fish, such as tilapia and pangasius, being unhealthy. However, not all tilapia and pangasius found in the market are chemically treated. Many tilapia and pangasius, which are naturally grown in ponds, are safe to eat and even contain omega-3. The problem arises when these fish are rapidly grown using chemicals, which can be extremely harmful to the heart. Dear viewers, finally, we will learn about the best methods to cook fish to retain its health benefits. People tend to prefer fried fish, but does frying retain the nutritional value of fish? The answer is no. You should avoid eating fried fish. But how can you enjoy fish without frying it? The key is not to fry the fish in excessive oil for a long time. Remember, frying fish in too much oil for too long increases the level of bad cholesterol in the body and significantly raises health risks, including heart diseases. If you eat fish 3-4 times a week, remember to lightly fry it in minimal oil or choose other methods like steaming or grilling. When grilling, avoid the burnt outer skin and eat the properly cooked inner flesh. Another important point to note, not to discard parts like the fish head, scales, and eyes. These parts contain up to 90% of the fish's nutritional value. Remember, you should properly clean and cook the fish with minimal oil, either by lightly frying or grilling, but avoid long periods of frying in excessive oil.